This one here is the active users screen. The idea is for you to be able to see here the list of all users who are connected or have connected to your system. Since this is a controlled environment, there's some of fictitious users here just to explain. So here you have the access email, the remote IP, and the last activity detection using Drake. The idea is for you to be able to select the user. Click on the trash icon button, and after that, the user will be forced to log in again to the system with their username and password, or through integrated login. The idea is for you to be able to force the user to log in, perhaps to reload their permissions. Because when you define a set of permissions for a user, it loads that set of permissions when entering the system. But if you make a modification in that set of permissions, the user has to log out and log in again. So you can come to the active users screen, force their disconnection, and then when they log in again, they will load the permissions that you have just configured. Another reason would be to cancel access from someone who should no longer access the system. Perhaps the user has been terminated from the company, and you come to this screen and remove their session, because if their computer is still open and logged into Drake, they continue using Drake. So you force the disconnection here. And it's not the case for the free plan, because here we work with the idea of nominal licenses. There are 5 licenses and only the possibility of 5 active users. But there's also the floating license scheme. Maybe there are 3 floating licenses to be shared among 10 users. So, if there are already 3 logged-in users, a 4th user wouldn't be able to log in until a session drops. So, it's possible to enter this screen, manually drop a session, and then another user who wants to enter the system would enter. So, it would be a 3rd reason, but it's not immediately applicable to a free plan, unless the license management is changed. I'll refresh the screen here now and let's see if the session has dropped. It dropped here. Your session has been ended. Click here to log in again. And there we go. Logged back into the system. The screen stays here under Settings, Security, and Active Users. So the idea is for you to be able to see who is connected to the system, who has connected, and drop a session if necessary.